Now let's try to hurt Postman. So we have a test here, the scenario, the precondition, the step, and the expected result. Your task in our second part of the workshop is to create the same on post, the same structure.
So we did the same, exactly what was in the Java. So this is the aircraft 1010. And the first one is we check the status code when we check the manufacturer is Boeing. The third one, we check the model and we check number of seats. And after running tests, we can see that the first 3 automated tests was passed and this one was failed because and the body we have null at the response. And actually I was confused how to manage the string, how to write it correctly, and actually the AI helped me to fix my script. So basically we need to put here a string, we take it fully, and we need also these quotations, like the double quotation as well. That was my mistake because I had only one and the AI fixed it.
Super.
Yeah, so this is it for the get method.
Okay, so you did post as well, yes?
We sent a post request with this body, and then we write similar scripts, status code 201 instead of 200, right name of manufacturer, wrong name of model, and right name of number of seats. And in test results, we see expected result. Passed, failed, and passed.
Perfect, thank you very much.